Hi everyone, and welcome to this short tutorial on how to use Wakelet to create self-study activities for beginner teenagers learning English. If you're a teacher or an educator looking for a simple and efficient way to design interactive and engaging activities for your students, then you're in the right place. It's an online platform that allows you to create and share collections of content from websites, videos, images, and more. You can use Wakelet to create self-study activities for your students by gathering resources and organizing them into a coherent and accessible format. To create a self-study activity with Wakelet, first you need to sign up for a free account. Then you can create a new collection by clicking on the Create button on the top right of the page. Give your collection a title and a description and choose a cover image if you want. Next, you can start adding resources to your collection by clicking on the Add item. You can add websites, videos, images, and more, and you can organize them into different sections by using the Add Section button. You can also add captions and comments to each resource to provide additional context and instructions for your students. When you're done, you can share your collection with your students by copying the link or embedding it in your learning management system. Your students can access the collection anytime, anywhere, and they can interact with the resources, take notes, and share their own thoughts and ideas. And that's it. With Wakelet, you can create self-study activities for your students in a matter of minutes. It's a simple and efficient way to provide your students with engaging and interactive learning experiences and to help them develop their English skills on their own. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips for teachers. See you in the next video.